Hello YouTube, MS Religion here, and I'm back again with the video. So there's more transfer news coming in, so let's get straight into it. So, Man United put £39 million transfer bid for Real Madrid's Toni Kroos. So here he is, so let's get straight into the news. So, Manchester United are reportedly ready to make a £39 million transfer bid for Real Madrid midfielder Toni Kroos. Man City and PSG are also interested in the 26-year-old, who is unhappy with the decrease in his playing time at the Bernabeu. According to RMC Sport, Pep Guardiola has named the midfielder among his transfer targets for City, but the fierce rivals will look to move first. Krys has seen his place under Zidane come under threat from Casemiro, who has become a regular in the Los Merengues midfield. So, Toni Kroos, one of the great ball-playing midfielders. I mean, he's amazing. I love how the way he reads the game. I've covered Krys many times because Manchester United have, it's confirmed that they have had a long-standing interest in Toni Kroos. We were interested in signing him long before he went to Real Madrid. He ended up going Real Madrid, but he's unhappy there, and I think we could potentially snap him up. If we get Mourinho, I think Toni Kroos would come, and it depends on the transfer bid. I think Real Madrid wants around 30 to 40 million pounds, so I think a 39 million pound transfer would be more likely. And obviously these are rumours, but I think there is some kind of truth in the Toni Kroos, story. I wish we get him. He's a great midfielder, but the thing is, we've got too many midfielders. I mean, we've got Mata, Herrera, Schneiderlin, Carrick, Fellaini. That's 5 already. And if you sign Krys, that's 6. I mean, Fellaini, I think Fellaini will probably most likely be sold. I'm not sure about Herrera, but I think Mata will be sold if Mourinho comes. So I think Mourinho will sell Fellaini and Mata and replace them with Krys. And there's another video I'm going to be doing regarding another midfielder target, and that could be a good replacement for for Mata as well, because they're both identical players. So yeah, Toni Kroos to Manchester United, £39 million, is looking more and more likely to come. But PSG and Manchester City are both interested in him, so there could be some competition going, transfer war, bid going on in the summer. But let me know what you think about Toni Kroos in the comments below. Do you want him? Do you not want him? Who would you want instead? Or who would you want alongside him? And please like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later.